Hello. If you want to continue to progress holistically in your life, one thing that you must practice is self love. People do not really understand how to practice self love, and that is why they keep on depriving themselves of what is possible for them. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 habits of self love. And as you start building them, as you start practicing them on a continuous basis, you will notice that every area of your life starts showing better results, better experiences, better outcomes. Let us begin. First one is put yourself and your well being first. I'm repeating because this is something which is the fundamental. Put yourself and your well being first. It is very important to remember always that our life begins from us and our life also ends with us. Yes, there are people around us for whom we are responsible. There are people around us who are dependent on us, and all that is very true. But the question is, if you really want to serve the world, contribute to the world much better, much longer, you will need to take very good care of yourself, and many people tend to ignore themselves on this point. People tend to use the word sacrifice. Sacrifice is not something which can be used at this place. The context is absolutely wrong when we say that I am sacrificing for my family. Usage of this word is absolutely wrong here. So practice self-love so that you can nurture yourself, you can create yourself as a better human being, and also contribute much more, much better to the world. Second important practice of self-love is take steps to eliminate what drains your energy. As you observe your own surroundings, you will notice there are things, you come across situations, you come across people which tend to drain your energy. Conversation with them and you feel totally lost. Now, it is very important to start distancing yourself from such situations, such things, and people. It may not be instantly possible, but the easiest way to start doing that is start setting your own boundaries. Express yourself vocally so that people understand what your needs, what your requirements are, and you need to insulate yourself from all those situations, people which tend to drain your energy. Third important habit is treat your body as the temple that it is. I always say that this is the only body with which you have to live your entire life. And it's very important to nurture that. It's very important to take care of that in all possible ways, in terms of building your body, stamina, muscles, in terms of what you're feeding yourself, in terms of the kind of rest and relaxation it needs constantly to recuperate. All that is very important, and when you do that, you are actually treating your body as a temple. Next important thing is spend the month doing something very, very selfish each day. Now, this may sound a little paradoxical, but the message here is something that you really love to do: painting, drawing, singing, dancing, whatever it is. Do that for an entire month, do that every day, and you notice what kind of energy that you start experiencing on an ongoing basis. And is it not true that when you experience that kind of energy, you will be able to contribute much more to the world around you? The next one is learn to be comfortable in your own skin. What is essentially meant by that is your physical structure is the way it is at this point of time. And unless you accept yourself as you are right now, you can't even think of any change. And obviously, there are many things which cannot be changed at all, like your height, like your shape of your nose, color of your eyes. All that cannot be changed. The earlier you accept that truth, the more confident will you be in facing the world that is in front of you. So be comfortable in your own skin. The next one is avoid putting everyone's needs before your own. It may be a little extension of the first thought that I shared. Avoid putting everyone's needs before your own. What happens with such people is they keep on serving others and no one ever asks them what their needs are. That is why you need to nurture yourself, you need to take care of your needs so that you can actually serve others better. It's very important for people around you to know that you also have some needs, and that will come only when you start putting boundaries, when you start saying in so clear terms that this is what you can do for others, this is what you cannot do for others. It's very, very simple to do. And the last thought that I'm sharing is, think 3 positive thoughts about yourself every single day. Initially, you may find it difficult. You may feel exhausted at the end of a certain time, but it's nothing wrong in repeating those. So think 3 positive thoughts about yourself every single day. The other day, I was doing this exercise with a set of people. The first question itself was, list down some of your strengths. One person wrote in so many words, I don't think I have any strengths. Now the question is, can that even be possible? Can that even be possible? So start thinking positive about yourself, your strengths, your capabilities, your talents, so that you nurture them more and you are able to offer them to the world around you. In fact, the whole idea is to bring a flow of positive energy inside you all the time, because that positive energy contributes much better to the entire system, entire ecosystem that you are living in. And that starts with the practice of self-love. I'll see you in my next video. Wish you all the best.